You can lose your crypto in seconds without making a single trading mistake, and I'll show you exactly how that happens. Most beginners think sending crypto is simple. You copy the address, press send, done. But there's one detail almost nobody explains properly: the blockchain network. And this is where TRC20 and ERC20 come in. If you don't understand the difference between them, you're taking a real risk every time you send USDT. Hey, quick note, markets like this are not easy, and a lot of traders struggle here, so we've added a small bonus for our YouTube viewers only. You'll find the promo code in the description. So let's break it down. TRC20 is the token standard on the Tron blockchain. ERC20 is the token standard on Ethereum. They may look similar, but they run on completely different networks. So why do so many traders use TRC20? Because it's fast and cheap. Transactions confirm in seconds, and fees are usually less than 1 cent. That's why USDT TRC20 became one of the most popular ways to move money in crypto. Here is where most beginners make a mistake. They copy the wallet address, but ignore the network. They see USDT and assume all USDT is the same. It isn't. USDT on TRC20 and USDT on ERC20 are the same asset on different blockchains. If the networks don't match, your funds may never arrive. So here's the rule. Before sending crypto, always check 3 things: the token, the address, the network. If all 3 match, you're good. If the network doesn't match, stop. On Margex, you can use USDT TRC20 for deposits and withdrawals. Just select USDT, choose the TRC20 network, copy the address, and make sure your sending wallet is also set to TRC20. TRC20 is simple once you understand one thing: same token is not enough. The network must match too. Subscribe, and we'll help you understand everything you need to know about crypto.